Let's fill out the Connecticut motorcycle bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling a motorcycle in this state, you'll need to put together a bill of sale, and here's what it has to include. First, the seller needs to provide their full name, their address, and their signature. The buyer also needs to provide their full name, their address, and their signature. So both parties are signing this document together. You'll also need to include the selling price of the motorcycle, so make sure that dollar amount is clearly written on the bill of sale. And don't forget the odometer reading. The current mileage on the motorcycle needs to be recorded right there on the document. Now, a bill of sale itself is required for this transaction, so be sure you're creating one and keeping a copy for your records. That covers the basics of what this state asks for on a motorcycle bill of sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.